I'm Erika D'Antonio. I'm the Global Technology Manager for the robotics ecosystem. And today I'm really excited to be here with the company SICK.
My name is Fanny Platbrood. I'm the Head of Strategic Product Management from the company SICK. And I'm responsible together with my team to launch the safety systems and safety services all around the world.
Hello together, my name is Marco Spraul. I'm Product Manager at SICK for safety systems, and we are here together with ABB to present our new configuration tool.
Could you please explain me which are the benefits of our collaboration, so the collaboration between ABB and SICK?
You know, ABB and SICK combine their force together to make the safeguarding of robot application, the free accessible robot application, really easy and intuitive. And together, we are really accelerating the robot solution on the market. We are making it intuitive, and we are even helping our customer to reduce their cost of engineering. What is very nice is that we developed a configuration tool to configure our laser scanner, the fields of our laser scanners. And what is really easy is that the laser scanners is scanning the environment, making a proposal of the field should be, and if it suits you, then you can just let them configure and then let running your system. So it's really easy, you don't need to be an expert. You just have the software will guide you through the process, through all the requirements, and up to the commission and the verification at the end. And we can, with that, help our customer to make a safe environment. And in an easy way, so intuitive as possible. We make safety accessible to all customers.
And Marco, could you please explain to our viewers how a customer can easily find the right solution for their application?
Yeah, I would recommend them to go on the ABB ecosystem website. There they will find our 6 safety laser scanners together with the MicroScan 3 configuration tool software. And they also will directly find the right part numbers on the website for the optimized hardware and software. Our software can be used for different kind of interfaces. You can configure up to 2 laser scanners with our software, and the software automatically guides you through all relevant steps to set up your safety environment on the robot.
Thanks a lot for the explanation, that's great. And Fanny, would you like to give any final thoughts to our viewers?
So I will say, just try your software, try to get your application safeguarded with our combined solution. You will be pleased, it's really easy, it's clever, it helps you to make a safe environment and also to increase your productivity.
And for our viewers, stay tuned for more video about the ecosystem and visit our website and discover more about ABB and SICK.